In this video, we will learn how to fix Fortnite stuck on connecting. So if your Fortnite game is stuck on connecting and it's not loading, the solution is very simple. Firstly, head to your Windows search bar and left click. From here type run, then click on open. After coming to run, you need to type %local app data %, then hit OK. After that, you'll be redirected to the local files in your app data folder. From here, you need to head to Fortnite game, saved, config, Windows client, and delete the game user settings. And click on delete and OK. After that, head back to the config section, go into the crash report client folder, delete every folder in here. And after that, head back to the saved folder, go into the log section. From here, also select every folder and file, then click on delete. After deleting, exit the folder, open up your Epic Games and launch Fortnite again. And it should now launch without any issues. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.